Welcome to What's New at AWS. If you are a developer, this update is sure to excite you. AWS CloudShell now comes with integrated Docker support. You can effortlessly launch Docker containers for swift prototyping straight from the CloudShell environment. There is no need for any installation or configuration. Let's take a look at this new feature. Sign in to AWS console and launch CloudShell. Shortly, the CloudShell environment will be up and running. To verify that Docker is pre-installed, run command docker version. This will basically display the versions of the installed Docker client and engine. Next, execute docker run hello world. It has pulled the Docker image from Docker registry. Status downloaded newer image. Finally, we'll see the message hello from Docker. Everything looks good. Docker images command confirms that the hello world Docker image is downloaded and stored locally. Docker ps-a command reveals that the hello world container was created and executed few seconds ago. Here are two good to know points. Only changes made inside your home directory will persist across CloudShell sessions per AWS region. There is no additional charge for AWS CloudShell. You only pay for other resources that you will use within CloudShell environment. Please subscribe to stay updated. Thanks for watching.